How to find Steam QR code on PC. So if you want to find the Steam QR code on PC, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you just need simply go with your upper left and then click on settings. Under settings, you need to go with security, and here you will have your Steam card. So you just need to simply go with manage Steam card and turn off your Steam card. So go with remove Steam card option, and once you've removed, you'll be able to find the QR code. Or you can also just simply remove the Steam app and you can go with a browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with your search and you need to search for Steam. After searching, you need to click on Welcome to Steam or just simply go with the official website. And from here, you need to go with Login, which is on the top right. Once you go with Login, here it will give you the QR code. So you need to scan the QR code from your other device, like your mobile device, and after scanning, you'll be able to log into your account. So that's how you can find your Steam QR code on PC. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.